Oh, I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Are you okay? Huh? What? Yeah. That's your name. Are you good? Oh, you're a rapper now? You a good bird? You sure are a good bird. You're a pretty bird. Hi, pretty girl. Ooh. Yeah, you're getting fluffy. Yeah. What have you got to say about that, Maxie? Maxie's a good bird. Good bird. Countess? Who said that? Damn it, damn it. Don't be scared. Are you scared?
We could kill a girl after school, cause I ain't tripping, girl, it's up to you. Sister, we're gonna step on board, cause I did everything to get next to you. You know I stay cool, so ever since then it's been me and my boo.
To the walls! Damn it,